Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export to PDF on Monday.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Monday.com, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting data to PDF in Monday.com is a straightforward process because PDFs are ideal for creating a clean, professional, and presentation-ready documents. Exporting to PDF, I believe, will allow you to present your board or dashboard data in a polished format that is easy to share in meetings or maybe a report or presentations. If you ask me, unlike Excel files, PDFs preserve formatting, ensuring that the document looks the same way on any device or when printed. Now, when I say it's a straightforward process, it really is a walk in the park. It's a piece of cake. Because all I'm gonna do when you are here on the top right corner, go to the main table, there's cards form, and there's a plus button that says add view. Click on that and you might want to click on the blank view. Because what will happen is, I'm gonna click this for now. You can add your first widget. Let's say I'm gonna be creating a files gallery, right? So I can manage the files from my here, all right? Then more options. If I want to delete that, let's check that. Maybe let's try to create I don't know, maybe a table for now. Let's create a table. And that's that. All right. So let me just rename this one as how to export to PDF in Monday.com. Now, for you to be able to do that, basically all I'm going to do is go to the upper right corner. There's going to be a section there that says more actions. If you don't see the import PDF, just create a blank view again. Just wait for it to load. Now hover to the three ellipsis buttons. Go to that and export to PDF. All right, getting your PDF ready. And that's that. It's a straightforward process because not everyone you work with might have access to Monday.com or the ability to open specific file formats like Excel. All right, because PDFs are widely accessible and can be opened on almost any device without any special software. If you don't want that, just hover to your Microsoft Excel or your Google Sheet form. If you have we have a separate video on how to export a file from Monday.com going to your Excel, and all I'm gonna do is convert that to PDF by clicking on download and clicking on PDF. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.